Hello everyone, welcome back. So we need to add dependencies in the POM.xml. So in the dependencies, we will be adding some libraries which are required for our project. So without Maven project, while creating the Java project, we used to download manually all the Java files and upload. But in the Maven project, inside the dependencies, we can keep M1 repository. So simply click on this. So this is the repository where you can find all the libraries. This library will be useful for our project. So whichever library you want, simply type in this search box. Suppose I want Selenium. So see Selenium Java. So now click on this Selenium Java. Now there are different versions available. So the latest version we can use this as 4.24. So click on this. So here copy this dependency and paste in our pom.xml file. See. So we have added the Selenium Java library. It will add all the libraries. We no need to add manually. See, these are all are added. So this is the beauty of Maven project. Create our first test case. So click on this test/java and click on this package. So this is the, here you can give your own package name. So create class, click on new, click on class. Now click finish. There is one small button with green color. This is the run button. So click on this one. Testing print. So in this way you can run our test cases in our Maven project. So next session will be going bit further. Thank you.